So if you're going to describe and write the rule for the composite translation, so these are all translations, okay? All right, we'll start at the original point, and I'm just going to color code it based on the image here. So you have the point D, right? So I'm just going to label it as X comma Y. That will undergo translation. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it went right 6. Then it went 1, 2, 3, 4, down 4. So this is going to be arrowing the point of X. Let's say right 6. So that is X plus 6. X plus 6. And down 4, which is Y minus 4. Okay. Then Then we want to go to the next point. So here are the original. This is the next point, and that's undergoing to produce that green point. So arrow. Let's see what we did here. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one, X minus, let's say 6, and then the Y. Anything happens to the Y? No, that is it. So nothing happens to the Y. Okay. So this was the original point. Okay. So we can call this like D. All right. Then this went to D prime. Then from D prime, it went to D double prime. Okay. So technically, you can write it like this is the composite. There's two. Okay. But in short, if you went from the blue to the green, it would have just been the blue part. Okay, to the green part. This is one transformation, okay? Right, that is still true, but this is a composite, so make sure you write both, right? Okay, B. So we have the A point, so we can label that A. Any point X comma Y, we're gonna undergo a translation. Let's see what it went. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it went right 5. And then it went up 1. So those points, X plus 5 for the right 5, Y plus 1 is for the up 1. Okay? Then those points will undergo a second translation. Here, let's just label those points as A prime. Okay? A prime will undergo a translation to produce the green points. And then the green points are, let's say, from A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is what, left 5. Okay. So a double prime would be X plus 5, which is left 5. So X plus 5 minus 5. That is a plus, let's see, plus 0. So we can just leave it as that. Okay, and then down 5, which is Y plus 1 minus 5. That would be a minus 4. Okay, so that would be the transformation. That means that from the blue to the green, we're just going down 4 units. Okay, right? Same thing here. This would just be a from blue to green. It's no, it should be down. Hold on, let me double check something. This is left. Ooh, haha, I made the mistake here. This is a plus 6. Watch. This is a plus 6. And then we want to minus 6. So that should be a plus 0. The Y is what changes. The Y was minus 4. Nothing happened to it, so it stays as a minus 4. So let me just fix this. Minus 4. So there you go. That would be the correct answer. All they're doing is going down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. That's how I double checked it. Okay. There you go.